Okay, so imagine this. It's just quiet Saturday morning, you just woke up and you can hear the birds chirping. But now this guy comes in. He destroys you and he destroys your eardrums.
And most importantly, he destroys the wall.
Okay, but before we start this episode, I just wanna say I am so sorry because you waited 3 weeks on this episode, and I just wanna say I'm sorry and I just wanna thank you for your patience. And now, without further ado, let's get to the episode. We made a little progress meanwhile in the episodes, and we unfortunately didn't film it. Now we're gonna make a frame for our sink. We provide struts for the structure so the sink would sit in all the frame and it wouldn't fall off. We are also gonna cut the drywall for the countertop of the sink, and as you can see, we are just doing that. Now we also have to draw a circle in this countertop for the sink to sit in, and we're gonna cut it out. And here goes the sink. Now we're gonna do something completely else and build a shelf for batteries, and also for such things as routers. If you are wondering why there drill holes in it, it's just the output of the cables. Now we're also gonna cut some planks for the floor of the upper floor. Now that we mounted all the planks, I can start painting the upper level. So let's do it. Now, as we painted the upper level, we can go back to the bathroom and continue the work down there. Here is what we already made. Just a simple quick view on how everything looks. Okay, now we're gonna stick some tiles to our sink frame, to our sink construction. And to do that we have to cut the tiles, and if you think that is a quiet work, and here's how the sink looks at this moment. Now we also have to stick the toilet to the ground. Now we're gonna take care of the area in front of the door outside of the bathroom, and we're gonna paint it and make a ceiling, and also paint it and plaster it and a lot of more stuff. So currently, as you can see, we are mounting the ceiling. Now we're gonna plaster all the screws that we screwed up to the ceiling, and we're also gonna plaster all the cracks in the walls. Now we're gonna paint the wall. Here is how it looks like. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I see you on the next one.